In the previous session, we saw about agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, and forest-based industries. Now we will see about the automobile industry, electrical and electronics industries, software industry, and the major challenges which are faced by the Indian industries. Automobile industry. India is set to emerge not only as a large domestic market for automobile manufacturers but also as a crucial link in the global automotive chain. That is, in India, they not only manufacture the Indian automobiles but also it acts as a prime location and a manufacturing base for many foreign automobile in companies and therefore forms a global automotive chain. Automobile industry is one of the most dynamic industrial group in India. The first automobile industry of India was started in 1947, called as the Premier Automobiles Limited, which is located at Kurla in Mumbai. It was followed by the Hindustan Motors Limited at Uttarpara in Kolkata in 1948. At present, India is the seventh largest producer of automobile manufacturers, which includes two-wheelers, commercial vehicles, passenger car, jeep, scooters, motorcycles, mopeds, and three-wheelers. Major centers are at Mumbai, Chennai, Jamshedpur, Jabalpur, Kolkata, Pune, New Delhi, Kanpur, Bengaluru, Sadara, Lucknow, and Mysuru. Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra and Mahindra, and Hindustan Motors are the largest passenger car manufacturers of Indian companies in the country. The presence of foreign car companies such as Mercedes, Mercedes-Benz, Fiat, General Motors, Toyota, and the recent entry of the passenger car manufacturers such as BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, and Volvo makes the Indian automobile sector a special one. The major Indian companies which manufacture commercial vehicles are Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Eicher, Eicher Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Ford Motors are the major Indian companies which manufacture commercial vehicles. MAN, iTech, Mercedes-Benz, Scania, and Hyundai are the foreign companies which engage in the manufacture of commercial vehicles. Two-wheeler manufacturing is dominated by the Indian companies like Hero, Bajaj Auto, and TVS. The automobile industries are found in four clusters. So as you can see in the map here, you can see the automobiles are in cluster in the various directions. Delhi, Gurgaon and Manesar are in North India, Pune, Nasik, Halol and Aurangabad in the West India, Chennai, Bengaluru and Hosur in the South India, Jamshedpur and Kolkata in East India. Make in India program was launched in 2014 to put India on the world map as a major hub for global design and manufacturing. Electrical and electronics industry. Heavy electrical industries manufacture equipment used for power generation, transmission and utilization. We have studied about the hydro power plant and thermal power plant. So in order to generate electricity in these power plants, turbines and boilers are required. So these turbines for steam and hydro power plants are manufactured by the heavy electrical manufacturing industries, and also they manufacture the boilers for the thermal power plants, generators, transformers, switchgears, etc. The most important company in the field of heavy electrical is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. called as BHEL. It has its power plant at Hardwar, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Jammu, Bengaluru, Jhansi, and Tiruchirappalli. The electronic industry covers a wide range of products, including television sets, transistor sets, telephone exchanges, cellular telegram, computers, and varied equipment for post and railway, defense, and meteorological department. Bengaluru is the largest producer of electronic goods in India, hence it is called as electronic capital of India. The other major producers of electronic goods centers are Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Pune, Lucknow, Jaipur, and Coimbatore. Software industry. India is the home for most of the finest software companies in the world. The software companies in India are reputed across the globe for their efficient IT and business related solutions. The Indian software industry has brought about a tremendous success for the emerging economy. That is, the software company or the software industry has contributed to the economic growth of the country. In India, software industry began in 1970 with the entry of Tata Consultancy Services (TCS). Along with this, L&T, Infotech, iFlex, Accenture, Cognizant, Galax, eSolution, India Private Limited, and ITC Infotech are the major software industries in the country. At present, there are more than 500 software companies all over India. It exports software services to nearly 95 countries in the world. The main centers of IT parks are located in Chennai, Coimbatore, Thiruvananthapuram, Bengaluru, Mysuru, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Pune, Indore, Gandhinagar, Jaipur, Noida, Mohali, and Srinagar. Major challenges of Indian industries. Industries in India face many problems. Some of the major problems are shortage and fluctuation in power supply. We know that electricity is one of the basic requirements for any industry in order to run the machineries. So the shortage or the fluctuation in the power supply greatly affects the production and also causes damage to the machineries. Non-availability of large blocks of land. Industries require a vast area. Due to the increase in population, there is a non-availability of large blocks of land in India. Poor access to credit, high rate of interest for borrowed loans, non-availability of cheap laborers, lack of technical and occasional training for employees, inappropriate living conditions nearby industrial estates. So these are the major challenges which are faced by the Indian industries.